Today's video topic is hair sunscreen. Your hair gets damaged from UV rays as well, just like your skin. However, it's extremely different from sun damage to the skin and requires different care. According to a 2019 study, Trusted Report, UV rays can damage hair just like the skin, potentially even damaging the hair follicle. Hair sunscreen helps protect the strands from UV damage that may contribute to physical signs of hair aging, like dryness, loss of pigment, and loss of density. These contain antioxidants, which disarm free radicals and serve as a UV barrier, and moisturizing oils, which nourish dried strands. Why do you need to protect them from the sun? Here are a few good reasons. Increased dryness. Dry hair are more likely to be brittle. This means hair will potentially break easier when being brushed, secured with a hair tie or elastic, or styled using heat. Just as the sun can dry out your skin, it can do the same thing to your strands. Studies show that UVB radiation causes hair protein loss, while UVA radiation causes color changes. A weakened hair shaft is not as resilient to things like heat styling and physical styling. Premature graying. Research shows that UV rays can trigger oxidative stress in the skin, scalp included, and a prolonged state of oxidative stress can lead to premature graying. Increased split ends. According to Abramite, UV damage stresses the hair cuticle, causing dry, frizzy split ends. These split ends are susceptible to damage because they are thinner and weaker than a healthy strand. Types of sun protection for the scalp. Powder. Powders are an ultra-lightweight way to get sun protection on your hair and scalp. They can also soak up excess oil and add a bit of volume. Spray. They can also be a great way to add moisture, sheen, and bounce. Creams and lotions. They provide a thicker layer of protection that won't wash out as easily in water. Hats and scarves. You can always opt for a hat or scarf to protect your top. There are clothes and hats with ultraviolet protection factor, UPF, for extra protection. How to apply hair sunscreen. For powder-based SPF, 1. Apply the powder along the part line while hair is dry. 2. Massage the powder into the skin. For sunscreen spray, 1. Wait until your hair is dry, unless the instructions tell you to use the product on damp hair. 2. Spray the product from root to tip, spreading out the spray evenly across the hair. 3. Comb or brush the hair after application to ensure the product covers the entire hair shaft. For lotions and creams, some products work just like regular sunscreen. Simply rub it in. Make sure to read the package and follow the instructions carefully. Safety considerations. Some people, like people with sensitive skin or a skin condition like eczema, should proceed with caution. Always do a patch test or check with your dermatologist before trying a new product for the first time.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.